Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in. As you can see, the price of Bitcoin in our case is doing pretty much like how we expected. A rally, a relief rally in between 45,000 range before deciding the trend duration, because on my previous video I was very clear. Even though the price of Bitcoin might look bearish, but in the medium short term we could see some relief rally. Price of Bitcoin getting attracted around this 0.5, range before deciding the trend duration. And since this trend is also heading towards this 0.5, Fibonacci line, how should we prepare ourselves? In this video I will talk about many other scenarios that I prepared for you, which is also pointing us where the price in the medium short term in the upcoming days might be heading. So before I do that, please do me a favor by destroying that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And guys, if you want to support me even further, a comment is always appreciated, because a like and a comment is going to boost the algorithm of the channel, boost the motivation for me to create content like this in a daily basis. So let's try to reach not just only 1,000 but 2,000 like in this video. So if you look at this ascending broadening wedge, we are well aware. On my previous video I talked about this relief rally when the price was struggling to find support at 40,000. You can see since then the market is already, Bitcoin is already up around 6.91%, which is a very massive move. But I think this impulsive move has not ended yet. Even after some range bound, I'm still expecting this continuation to happen, a further continuation in between this 0.5, Fibonacci line before deciding the trend duration. But please be careful, guys. I personally think after some relief rally, after getting attracted around this trend line, we could see a final shakeout. Price of Bitcoin getting attracted around this 36,000 range, right around that area, consolidated for a while, where the wealth starts accumulating, right? Where the wealth starts accumulating, and only after that they are going to let it go. Price of Bitcoin after that to show a move like this, an actual impulsive move. So please guys, please, even though the price in the medium short term could show further bullishness, but please wait until we break out of certain line of resistance before looking for any opportunity, because I have been very clear with you guys. Price usually breaks the upper band when we are preparing for an impulsive move. Price breaks the lower band when we are expecting corrective move. You can see in the past, price action breaking the upper band resulted in some very impulsive move, but in our case we have broken the lower band. Now according to this Bollinger Band as well, we could see some relief rally, but this relief rally could be short-lived, because this lower trend line even during a downtrend has acted as a support, and we also found out this 0.5, could be attracting us. So that's why I said on my previous video, this relief rally could show further continuation here to the upside, even though the Bollinger Band, the lower band, has been broken. So I want you guys to be a little bit careful, because you can see even according to this descending channel, even according to this descending broadening wedge strategy, I was very clear. If we can manage to break out of this upper trend line from this descending broadening wedge, from this descending channel or bull flag type of formation, there is a very high probability of price continuing this uptrend. And as soon as we broke out of it, you can see we had this massive move according to this descending broadening wedge, even according to this descending channel, a bull flag type of formation. You can see 43,000 is where we could be getting attracted, and even up to 45,000 range. These are the lines where we could be heading in the medium short term before price to this trend duration. And not just only this, guys, not just only this, even if you look at this price structure in a bit different way, this might not look perfect. A perfect inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Now, since we are holding above this neckline, if this is going to be looked as a continuation, then in the medium short term, we definitely want the price of Bitcoin to remain above 42,000. Remaining above 42,000 means this could still favor the longs. This inverse head and shoulder is a bullish continuation pattern. So if we can remain above 42,000 in the medium short term, this could result in further continuation, where we could be getting attracted around this 43, 45, in between that range before choosing a trend duration. So I am still expecting market after some bullish move to show further shakeout, further corrective move around 36, 38,000, a final move around that area before starting with a new impulsive move. So that's why, guys, that's why we definitely want the price here in the medium short term to remain above 42,000, because remaining above 42,000 means we are above this CPR indicator, which is a very good sign. This price move, you can see, has finally managed to come across the CPR line. This is a narrow CPR. Narrow CPR indicates volatility. So for this month of January, the volatility has not ended. This could result in further impulsive move, which I have said, right? Remaining about 42,000 could result in further impulsive move and could also bring us around the first monthly area, which is around 45,000. So that is the reason remaining above 42,000 could result in further impulsive move. Price of Bitcoin following this inverse head and shoulder. Price of Bitcoin also getting attracted towards the price origin from the descending broadening wedge, bull flag or descending channel breakout formation, and even up to this 0.5.6 Fibonacci line before choosing an actual trend duration. Because we know, if we look at this price structure in a very simple way, let me share this one here. You know, this red line was a very important line of support in the past price action. When we broke below it, what happened with price of Bitcoin? It started with this corrective move, and this corrective move even got rejected when the price tried to re-enter above it. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add another rising trend line. So if we are going to look this as a continuation pattern like this, we found support at this trend line. So you can see this line, just like here from the past price action, also acted as a line of support. Now if we are going to see further continuation, price of Bitcoin getting attracted towards the next key objective, then this rising trend line could be the next target. I mean, along with this descending channel breakout, along with this descending broadening wedge strategy, along with this Fibonacci line, even this rising trend line could be attracting us, and that is again around 45,000. So this is another reason why after some range bound, I was expecting the price of Bitcoin to show further continuation like this, then a final move, and only after that show another continuation. So let's see how it's going to go. But for now, the reason why we are expecting a final leg down is very simple. Let me show you that with this chart. You can see, guys, this rising trend line has always acted as a line of support during an uptrend. This line always got tested, and now if we look at this carefully, this line could be attracting us. So I'm actually expecting after some relief rally, the price of Bitcoin could show a move like this, get attracted around this Fibonacci line, 0.5 Fibonacci line, right, which is around 36,000, and also test the support from this rising trend line before we start with this actual impulsive move like this. Yes, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin, if it's going to be a continuation pattern like this, getting rejection around 45,000 between that range, and then a move here to the downside, forming more capitulation phase before entering with a new impulsive move. So guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If that's the case, hit that like button, and if you are still unaware about the bonuses, then please check the video description, because Bybit is giving around free $200 futures airdrop, either Bitcoin or Ethereum position airdrop, $200 for free. Bybit is also giving around 30,000 free bonus if you sign up using this link, which is also given in the description down below, and even a chance to take part in this competition, 2.2 million USDT prize pool competition. All the links are given in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. Now, by saying this, I'm signing out. Until next time, bye bye.